What is up, fam? Welcome back to Leslie's Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what messages or what the overall energy is that's going to be coming towards you for the upcoming week. Tell me more about the energy that's coming in for my Scorpios. What's the energy looking like for my Scorpios? What are they going to be dealing with? I thought I clicked on that. I guess I didn't. My bad, y'all. And I also have to do the other channel as well. For the ones of y'all waiting on those videos. Let's see what's coming in. Messages for Scorpio. I was trying to wait till Snow went to sleep, but she's obviously not going to bed. You better slow down. Alright, Spirit. What's coming in? What's the energy looking like coming in for Scorpios? What's coming in? What's the energy coming in for Scorpios? Alright, so we got Destiny. Alright. It says luck, chance, and meant to be. Bottom of the deck is control. Releasing, taking back power, kinky in the bedroom. Now, some of y'all could be getting busy with somebody. That's destiny. You could be destined to meet somebody. Number 12 says, this card indicates that the way in which you will meet someone or something will come to pass is by way of destiny. It cannot be planned. It is when things open up and destiny will take its course as if written in the stars. The forces of the universe have plans for you. So whatever's going on or whatever's about to come in, Scorpio, is destined to happen this way. You don't really have control of it. Okay? You could be trying to take back control. Like, nope, I'm going to take control of this situation. This ain't finna happen. Da, 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 da. But it's like something's destined to happen. So let's see. What's destined to happen? Like, what's going on? It's all about destiny this week for you, Scorpio. Alright. Y'all could be taking a chance on something. You could be taking, you could be feeling lucky. What's the energy coming in for Scorpio? Surprise. A disappointment will be followed by a pleasant surprise. An invitation could bring love to those searching. So you could be disappointed because something didn't work out with somebody, or something just didn't go the way you wanted it to. Something like that. Like, you're going to be surprised. Like, I can't believe that didn't fall through for me. Or I can't believe it didn't work out with that person. Or I can't believe that's really happening. Or that went that way. Hey, look. Spirit is in the building. We got opportunities in reverse. Yeah, I feel like there's a situation that doesn't work out for you. Oh, nope. I take that back because my deck is upside down, y'all. It says opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Exciting times and plenty of action, plus a special family reunion looks likely. You could also be coming back into union with a family member or something like that. If you've been on like the outskirts of a family member or something, you and this family member could be coming back together and talking or joining together again. Some of y'all are about to meet somebody. Maybe you haven't. Yeah, like it says a stranger is about to change your life. Y'all can end up meeting somebody. It's fated though. Like, it's fated to happen this way, Scorpio. Oh my God. You're going to try to control it too. The crazy thing is you're going to be trying to control it. Some of y'all going to be like, I can't get involved with this person like that. This gives me like, you can even meet somebody like you super attracted to this person. Like, you could be holding back from them. Of course, like, you ain't trying to let nobody fuck on first date type of thing. You like, nah, like, I'm gonna pull my power back. You know what I'm saying? But Spirit is also telling you, like, try not to control the situation. Just release it. Let things play out the way they're meant to play out, okay? Let things play out the way they're meant to play out. Let me see. Number 7. The number 7 could be significant. The number 12 could be significant this week. There it is. It says, this can mean someone around you is controlling, is trying to control you, or an element of the surrounding cards can be controlling you. It can be a message to take back your power and control in a situation that has lost control. We only have power and control over ourselves and our own actions. So it's about, you can control yourself, Scorpio. Yes, most definitely. You can control yourself, but you can't control whatever this is that's playing out the way it's playing out. Something's fated. Something's destiny. It's like completely out of your control. Maybe you could be the type of person, and maybe you don't realize it. Like, you like to, you have a schedule. Like, okay, I wake up at this time, I go to work, I come home, I do this, I do that. That's fine and dandy, but that's not how it's gonna work out. Something may not pan out the way you wanted to this week, and you're gonna be surprised because it's gonna be like, dang, like that's disappointing. I hate that happened the way it did. I really was fighting for that to turn out a certain way or something like that, but it's not. It's not, Scorpio. You might even be mad, might be a little mad about it, but or disappointed about it, but you're gonna be surprised, child. This could be like what's a good example? Like, okay, I'm going to go have lunch at this place. I'm gonna be there at 12 o'clock because that's my lunch break. Whoop de whoop whoop. But then you run into somebody. You know what I'm saying? You run into somebody, and for some reason the conversation is just on point. You're attracted to them, they're attracted to you, or some traffic jam or something like something's completely out of your control. What? You're supposed to be laying down though. So tell me more. What's coming in for Scorpio? Tell me more. What's coming in for my Scorpios? Tell me more. What's coming in? We got karmic ties. All right. Y'all can be dealing with a karmic tie this week, but you could be choosing to love on yourself. Okay, you could be focusing on self here. Somebody could be, low vibing or something with that karmic tie. What about this karmic tie energy? Why is this showing up for Scorpio? Why is this karmic tie energy showing up for Scorpio? Romance. Okay, for some of y'all, this is a relationship, or it's about a relationship. Excuse you. Pregnancy, fake news, DNA. There could be like fake start, false. Why can't I get that out? A false start in a relationship or in a connection. Some of y'all could either still be tied to somebody that you was in a relationship with, or you're tied to somebody that's in a relationship, a romantic partner. Oh boy, psycho, crazy ex, obsessed, won't let go. Some of y'all still tied to like an ex or somebody that's still attached to like a crazy ex. What else is going on? What else is going on for Scorpio? Family and wish. Okay, so some of y'all could be wishing for a family or wishing for a family dynamic. Look, we got trap. Some of y'all could be wishing. Some of y'all got a wish for your family or something like that, or your family could also be wishing for you. Thank you, Spirit. Your family could be wishing for you, but this could be somebody trying to keep you trapped or keep you stuck, keep you in a box. I'm getting like in a box. Like somebody wants to keep you in a box or keep you stuck in something. This could be family. This could be somebody, if it's not like that immediate family, this could be somebody you've created a family with, like had children with and stuff like that. Massive regrets. They're going to regret this, whatever it is. What is this family wishing for Scorpio? Look, girl, stop jumping. You eating and drinking, you going to make your stomach hurt. Stop jumping. Yeah. What's this wish? I mean, family wish. There's some sort of family wish. What's this about? What's this family wish? Love, child, and divine masculine. For some of y'all, somebody wishes to trap you with a kid or left you hanging, no closure, no contact, left unread. There could be somebody that wishes to have a kid with you, Scorpio. It's giving divine masculine though. Somebody, this masculine energy wishes to have a kid with you. Wishes to have a family with you. Did you? You could either. I was gonna say, did you leave them hanging or something? Somebody feels like you left them hanging. Karmic lesson. Goodbye. Somebody feels like you. Somebody wishes that they could have a kid with you or share a kid with you, or if this is your father. Sorry, y'all. If this is your father, this father wishes you'll like come to them or something, but maybe you're not communicating with them or something like that. Let me drink some coffee and get me up. You need to lay down. You're not talking to somebody, or you're not answering their call or their message or something like that. Okay. What else is going on? Messages for Scorpio. Maybe your father or your father figure wants to hear from you, Scorpio. What else is going on? What else is going on for Scorpio? Okay, y'all securing the bag, period. I see that, clock that. Okay. It says secure, confident, boss be career focused. Some of y'all are going to be really focused on your career, your stability. We got a shame, guilt, embarrassment, and wrong. Some of y'all can even feel guilty or feel a little embarrassed that you focus on your stability. Like, you feel ashamed of your success or your stability. You better get in that bed. Yeah, yay, nothing. You supposed to be in the bed. Oh, I know it started to itch. What's this Queen Bee energy about for Scorpio? Thug. They're spiritual chaos, ego, death, downward spiral, spiritual awakening. You could be like really focused on your money, your finances, and career. There's somebody could be getting arrested, or there's somebody here with a criminal history. Funeral. Somebody oh man, somebody could have a funeral come up. Some of y'all be careful. There could be like a funeral coming up. This would be I don't know if you're like really focused on your work or something like that, but this would be somebody that has a record. I don't know if you just hear news about it or what, but you can hear about somebody passing away. It looks like they could have passed away due to some sort of betrayal or something. Like somebody could have got caught cheating or playing mind games with a person. Stuff could have went left. I don't know why I just got that. There's also somebody like doing business fraud or something like that. They could be getting arrested with that Queen Bee and Thug card. Like somebody could be getting arrested because they doing like business fraud, or if this Queen Bee ain't you, Scorpio, there's somebody doing some sort of business fraud or something. What's this Queen Bee with the Thug card? Some of y'all could work for like the correctional facility or the government, like parole, stuff like that. What's Queen Bee with the Thug? Somebody could get arrested at your job or a place of business. You could witness this. This could be happening outside of you. Now, if you're doing something illegal, Scorpio, then just know, whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, type of thing. Okay, but if it's not that, then there could either be somebody getting arrested. I want to say getting arrested outside of the establishment or an establishment or something. What's Queen Bee with Thug or Scorpio? Fake busy and guilt, embarrassment, and wrong. Getting readings. This could be somebody getting readings on you, or somebody that's getting they could be getting readings because they trying to figure out if they in trouble or something. We got fake busy, guilt, embarrassment, and wrong. For some of y'all, there's a person that you can hear. I don't know, Scorpio. I don't know if this is like you see it on the news or you see it on Facebook or you see it because you at work and it happens. But there's somebody here that could be like faking their hours or what's it called? Stealing time. There could be somebody like stealing time or like stealing money, stealing company time or something like that. For some of y'all could be a reader and maybe you gave a reading on this person or this person came to you for a reading or something like that. Somebody feels embarrassed, like somebody about to get caught up in the justice system or something like that. You can hear about this. What's at the top? Pop the question. My way, selfish, stubborn, arrogant, pride, and ego. For some of y'all, this person gonna come towards you and they gonna try to like propose something to you. Maybe they ask, hey, do you think this is a good idea or something? Maybe you tell them no. Whoever this is, they're very prideful and egotistical. Yeah, spiritual chaos, ego death. They could be feeling shut down, or they're going through like a spiritual death, the ego death. Man, what's going on? What's going on? Okay? Tell me about this karmic. Tell me about this energy here. Karmic ties and romance. What's that? Bless you. So we got 444 protection. The universe and your spiritual guides are protecting you. So y'all definitely being protected from some sort of karmic tie here, Scorpio. Some sort of romantic partnership, whether it's somebody trying to like, look, down on lover or same sex. This could be a same sex partner. So somebody could have tried to like get you involved in a relationship or something like that. You being protected. Okay, what's going on with the karmic ties and the romance? We got something about 1 week. And becoming more intelligent, learning and healing from each lesson. You've already learned some sort of lesson here. That's why you like, nah, I'm not getting involved. Bottom of the deck, Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas. Okay, what about the family card? With the wish, love child, and the divine masculine. Yeah, somebody want to be like a power couple with you. Because you got power couple. Attractive, multiple streams of income, good credit, boss, entrepreneur. Somebody want to be like a power couple with you. They aren't at war with you, but actually at war with themselves. So somebody could be fighting some sort of internal battle here. Watching you move on and being happy really makes me mad. See? There's somebody here. This could be family. Family wishes that they could get you stuck with kids, okay? Or get you stuck as a baby mother or trap you with kids so you don't move on somewhere. That's what somebody could be wishing. Maybe they want to be a power couple with you, or they see you moving on being a power couple. Work boots, steel toes, safety gear. Somebody could like bartend, club, bouncer, party promoter, or DJ could be significant. What's the family card with the wish? Now this could be your family wishing this. You know what I'm saying? What's that? Didn't I flipped over? Hold on. Okay, 888 balance. Everything is falling into place as it is meant to be. You both have 2 different love languages, so that could be the reason why this didn't work out. You and this person just y'all not on the same page. Press on long nails, new manicure set. Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, and Michigan could be significant. Bottom of the deck, you are manifesting everything that you desire. So, yeah, they destroyed the connection and have to walk away empty-handed. So, whoever this person is or these family members are, these are people that fucked up y'all's connection. You know what I'm saying? And now they wishing that, oh, well, let me come see the kids, or oh, we should just do kid night, or let's go to the park, or oh, I just want to be there for my kids or something. I don't know. Somebody wants to be a family with you, but it's like they wishing for it too. But this is somebody that hurt you in some sort of way, Scorpio. What's the queen bee here with the stud? Because somebody here. Now, you could also be dealing with a feminine that comes off like queen bee energy. But this person could be doing illegal shit for money. And then they be faking busy like they got a lot going on when really they don't. This person could actually feel embarrassed because they're a pretender. 333, your spiritual guides are around you, sending you love, support, and guidance. I feel like you're being supported and guided, Scorpio. Somebody could suffer from lower back or upper back pain. What's the queen bee with the thug card? Group of gossiping men. There could be men gossiping about this queen bee energy. Especially if they running with the wrong crowd. They could be embarrassed because of that. What's the queen bee with the... Or they did something embarrassing. That's why these dudes gossiping. We got mother, walk away parent syndrome, abandoned responsibilities, leaving above. No, they could also be a bad mother, or somebody suffers from mother wounds. I was taking advantage of them for money. Somebody could also be using somebody for money. That could be what the illegal thing is with this queen being thug. That could be how somebody get their money. They use people for money. Late night vibe or drive with good music. They pretend to be loving and care, but really they are so hateful. Whoever this is, this would be a hateful person. If this ain't you, Scorpio, this could be somebody very hateful. What's queen bee with the thug card? Somebody can live on a drive. So this would be like Pensacola Drive. You know what I'm saying? Someone's spouse or girlfriend. This is somebody, okay, this is somebody else's spouse or girlfriend here. Living a private life. Maybe you live a private life and this is coming up in your energy, Scorpio. Maybe you don't even care, but it's coming up. This person could be in your energy, and that's why it's coming up here. Or this person lives a private life, and the reason they live a private life because they doing illegal shits. Okay? So, I don't know. Spirit wanted you to know that, Scorpio, for some reason, because it's coming up in your energy. But I'm going to leave it here. I hope this brings you some clarity and some insight. I appreciate y'all so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.